got the poor man's GoPro, so we can catch this whole thing. And I'm going to let you, you're going to be the timer, so you just tell me when it gets closer. The flag technically is the rule, but we're going to do them at the same time. But technically, even if you blow it, 10 minutes later, it's the flag. So we got to make sure we get the flag up. Right at 7. Watch out, it's loud, and they kind of suck too, so. Give me a 5-second warning. Yeah. We got the poor man's GoPro. Awesome job. That doesn't look too good. Yeah, land of the setting sun here. We go a minute, and then I put up the prep flag. Oh my goodness, this is crazy. Hope I'm getting this on my poor man's GoPro. This is a sight to behold. Uh-oh. I have my duties, though, that call, which are not photographic. All right. Here we come. You're going to tell me. Yep. Is this exciting?
Oh, yeah.
My wife thinks we're nuts.
5 seconds.
You got the horn?
2, 1.
Yeah, hit it. You can give us more than that next time. No, not now. You're done. You blew it. All right.
These guys self-time themselves?
Well, they're all they know when, we're on GPS time, so they all know what we're doing. We're kind of just going through the motions, but officially we could be off by 20 seconds. It's us. We're the official. So they're planning their line. They're coming up. They're going to go up. They're going to do a little doodle. He'll come back. He might go around. And everybody's got their own little, personal thing. I mean, Ted's been racing for, I think he was like, with the Flintstones. And Zara's pretty good. He's always up against me. All right. Wowee, this is... I hate to brag, but we have scored one of the nicest sailing nights of the season. Yeah. Alrighty. Yeah, 7:03 and 45 seconds will be... no, just one. The prep flag comes down. Technically, you're done prepping for whatever the hell that means. And then, I think officially, when the prep went up, you were racing. Your engine's got to be off. You can have your engine on for the first minute of the 5 minutes, but then when that prep flag goes up, you got to be, ready to race, as it were. Oh man, I got a couple of tough yearbook contenders here. This is going to be... What? Jesus. Okay, wait. Gotta take the right flag down. 45 seconds? Yeah, you're gonna hit the horn. You'll hit the horn all the time. Because they technically really can't see. They're not watching. They're listening for the horn. That's why you kind of spray in the general direction. Give it a little toot too, because sometimes you can't hear it. So at 4, right? I'm so nervous. No, I'm not going to hold you. It's not so good with them. Whoa, shit. 3, 2, 1. All right, now things are going to get interesting. My GoPro, is it still blinking blue? Oh, good. We're catching it all. This is when this the proverbial poo hits the fan. Looking good. Looking organized. All right, how we doing? All right, so we're going to see them now. They're all banking on this thing. These guys are all going for the line in the next couple of seconds. You know, when this flag goes down. Okay. You watch down the line too after you blast it, so we make sure nobody goes over early.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, they're going, and it's organized chaos, and catch the wind, and can't get anything in there, and they got a couple people over there, got Lena way down the other end, he's going to be on the side, they got followed quickly by Zara. Zara coming up, Zara, come on, Zara, you can do it. I don't know who that is, they might be catch the wind down at the other end. We've got our friends here in the Sabre, I can't remember their name. They're coming around, they're crossing the line. It's anybody's race. Oh, except for this one.
Yeah.
Yo, you're going to be trading boats with us here, buddy. He sailed with me for a couple years. John Doherty. We're all clear. Where do all these boats come from? That thing actually looks like it'll float. All right, we gotta watch our time. So we got, yeah. So there's a 5-minute wait, and then we start the sequence again.
Okay.
Right? Yeah.
7:05. Gotcha.
Yeah, it's 7:06, isn't it?
7:06 now.
Yeah. Yeah. So at 10, we start the sequence. They start at 15.
That'll work.
It is, isn't it? I mean, it really isn't. If you think,
you know what you're doing.
But it's got to be done at a, it's very precise. I don't like this 5-minute wait thing. This is nerve-wracking. It's nerve-wracking. Hey, can you guys take that crab pot for me? Get rid of that crab pot. Yeah, damn. This is a... What? Yo, that's no J-boat, pal.
What's the line? Where do you call the line from?
Right about the flag, RC flag.
We're trying to calibrate it.
Oh, I gotcha. How about calibrating the driver? You go right over that crab pot. Never mind, it's too late. Take it with you. Take that crab pot with you. Oh, good. You're a team player. All right. Are we getting ready for fun? See, I love the part where we're just heckling everybody. And I take the pictures, I take the videos. All right, there's solar wind. Yeah, this was a little bit of an obscenely long line, but it's fine. Yeah. Oh, and we're favored, so they should be down near us. But Catherine's the boat that I want. That's CNC 105 or 8 or I forget. It's in
7:09 and 15 seconds.
All right, let me get a good shot of Catherine out in the sunset, maybe. How we doing on time?
7:09:34.
Okay, I'm holding for a shot, and I just want to see if I'm going to get it. You're going to have to run back and grab my flag. Oh man, I'm going to charge him $40 a pop for that. All right, hold on.
10 seconds.
Okay, it's the Class 2 flag.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Is that Class 2? Yeah. What's this? This is the prep flag, it's the square one. Let me get this over on this side so I don't freaking screw it up. My pole holders are very functional. They're not very good for catching fish, it seems. Sea robins, they're very good at sea robins. And now I found out that I give my sea robins to Robbie, and he uses them for lobster bait. I'm figuring that way I won't keep catching the same one I've been catching for the last 15 years. And I've never caught it in the mouth. I fin hook it. They are the ugliest, saddest animals in the world. Yeah, they serve no particular purpose. All right, okay. So you're going to get me at 16. I mean, sorry, what is it? It's 11, right. So 7-Eleven?
7:11.
Well, we're supposed to put a flag up at yeah, no, another one a minute later. That's it. Hit the horn. Hold on a second. Where are we?
We're about 11 seconds out.
Okay. Yeah, a little error on the flag. Sorry. So now we sit for 3 till the 4, the 14. That's another problem with this. These freaking numbers. There's all these numbers now. It used to be so easy. It used to be 7, 5, and then the other one started at 10. It went right in 10 minutes. And when the one flag started, the other flag went up. It was very simple. There was no 5-minute pause. Now we're at 10. There's all this math. Yeah. So we'll give them an extra long blast at the 14. That way we can reestablish the confidence of our timing. That's well, yeah. There's such a screwed up fish. They even screwed up our start. So they're all out there doing their little supposed dance. Okay, here comes 13. Seconds. Oh. 30 seconds to take it down, and then we're going to go crazy with the pictures. We're going nutso. Okay, you're going to give me a nice long toot, right? And over at them.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, that was great. We good. You did. Well, the next one's the really important one. Yeah, at the 15. Look at them all bunching up now. Look at this stuff. Things are going to get ugly. The only thing that matters is, I don't care, my boat's paid for.
30 seconds.
watch down the line too. Keep an eye out on this ragamuffin. Okay. But you keep an eye on the time too.
Yep.
Make sure we get that done right. Tell me, call it out.
15 seconds.
Okay. I thought it was more.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Clear. All clear.
Going on the rail.
Wait, I thought they're going to pull my anchor up. Go, babies! You pull up my anchor, you buy the boat.
Are we good on time now? Now we just watch.
That's it. Now we're bored. Oh, who's this? Oh, this is Tor with his.
It's like the last step.
Huh? Yeah. Well, he's got a J boat, which this is pretty comical because not laughable comical, but this is a much less responsive boat, whole different deal, and it got some nice sails, so and they've plotted this thing out. I don't know, that could be the long line. So they may figure that that's the better route, or they just wanted to get away from everybody's shit and get out and away. Did everybody get over? All right. Shit. All right. Even some of the slower boats got off. Uh-oh. That was a couple fast tacks, but if they can get up there in some clean air, maybe that'll be worth it. I think that's solar. Yeah. They got the J boats. They're all getting out of the. They're all going up out of the dirt. Oh, a couple quick tacks. Yeah, the guys that set this line up are geniuses. Oh. That's us. Us. So we did it. It's a group thing. Alright. I'm going to put the GoPro down.